There we go. Dixie on a blind retrieve. 300 yards, they say.
That's a pretty good line right there.
Yeah, about halfway now.
Halfway to it?
Yep. That's a pretty good line if she'll stick.
Getting a little swervy.
Yeah. Just a touch to the right. Pretty decent line.
Will she see it is the question. Wrong way, Dixie. At least it's downwind. She can hear it. She can hear the whistle.
Alright, stop her stick. Alright, there you go.
Good line.
That's a good line right there.
She got it.
I think
She just turned and got it. She's... Yep, boom, she nailed it. Took 2 minutes and 12 seconds to get her there.
2 seconds, alright.
It'll take her that long to get back.
Yeah.
Good girl, Dixie. All right, bird's coming.